Okay, what we're going to need to do here is this. We're going to take and solve for x. And to do that, we're going to move the y over. So we find that x is equal to 1 minus y, and we're going to leave it like that because we'll need to plug that in for right here into the second equation. It's a substitution type problem. So if I plug that in and I've got my y squared equals 1, that x is going to be a 1 minus y, and I've got to go through the squaring process. Now that's a FOIL. So please be aware that when you FOIL 1 minus y and 1 minus y, you're going to get 3 terms. Well, you have 4, and they'll simplify. 1 times 1 is 1. You got an outer and inner that's a minus 1y and another minus 1y. But a negative times a negative is going to give you a plus y squared. So I have 1 minus 2y plus y squared equals 1. Now, I'm going to want to move this over to the other side. And I'm going to clean this up. That becomes 2y squared minus 2y. And it's equal to 0 because the 1's going to win away in both cases. So what I can do here to solve for y is I'm going to take out the 2y. And I got a y minus 1 equals 0. I have 2 solutions now for y. Y equals 0 and y equals 1. Now, those are my y's. I got to plug both of those into here to find out what x would be for both cases. I plug in 0 for y here. 1 minus 0 is x. So x equals 1 when y equals 0. So I got 1 point is 1 comma 0. But now I can plug in y equals 1 into this same thing, and I've got x equals 1 minus, now it's equal to 1. So I got 2 different y values, I got to plug them into the same equation. One value of y gave me an x equals 1, the other value of y gave me an x equals 0. So that means my other solution is going to be 0, comma 1.